We talked about lists and strings. We're gonna talk about top tuples and dictionaries. So when you have a list, apple, orange, right? You can change your list. You can say, for example, fruit one. Let's make it something else. Let's make it coconut. And then if you print fruit now, you'll see now it's coconut instead of orange, right? But we also have tuples. So you can say, for example, this time we will define the chocolates as tuples. And it's like Kinder and Blend. This time you can say, for example, chocolates 1 equals something else. Tuple object doesn't support item assignment. So if you want to change your tuple, so this is actually useful in many cases, as you will see in future. But if you want to change your tuple, you have to make another tuple and be like, yeah, new chocolates equals, for example, um, something else, right? So that's the main difference. Tuples are immutable. However, you can convert tuple to list. For example, you will like new chocolates equals list chocolates, and then print new chocolates. Now you can do this. See, so this is a tuple, this is a list. And then when you convert it to a new list, you can then change it and then convert it back to tuples, but we don't usually do this. We usually create new tuples, or if we want to change our data type, or we want to change our values, we just use lists at the first place, right? Next, dictionaries. So dictionaries are really useful. In dictionaries, you have key values, so you're gonna define them the same way as you define everything in Python. So you're gonna be like, my first dictionary equals first one, and then second equals 2. Print my first second and first, right? And then you can say, for example, print my first dictionary first one, or second 2. So this is called key. This is its value, right? You can print only values using this function, or keys second and first. You can also get the length of a dictionary. You can use dictionary.get to get, for example, first. one, right? Um, so dictionaries are really useful. We're gonna see what cool things we can do with dictionaries, with lists, with all these things that we talked about briefly. And yeah, good luck.